In this video, I want to talk about how you can get coupons on Shein. Now, there are three different methods to do this. The first one is a welcome and sign up coupon. Usually you get these when you sign up with a new account or if you invite your friends via your referral link. Now, the second option is to look for Shein coupons. There are a bunch of websites actually listing these coupons, so you can simply Google Shein coupons and some of them will show up. Now, the third one is during holiday seasons or on special days. There will be coupons just by signing in if you have an account. Now, I suggest you use the app for all of these. So, download the app because usually on the app you're going to get much more coupons. So, download the app and then check out either one of these methods. Now, the third one will probably be the most likely one for you, which is to wait until there's either a holiday or a special event going on, and then simply log into your account, and the coupon should come up as soon as you log in. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.